What's up guys? In this video I will show you how to get and watch local channels on your Skyworth Smart TV. Now over here I have the Skyworth Google TV, but it doesn't matter the type or model of Skyworth TV you have. By the end of this video you should be able to scan and watch live TVs or live channels on any Skyworth TV you have. Now to do this, first things first, you need to connect an antenna to your Skyworth TV. You can go ahead and get an outdoor antenna or an indoor antenna just like this one. So over here I have this indoor antenna and it is currently being connected to my Skyworth TV. Now once you have your indoor or your outdoor antenna connected to the antenna port on your Skyworth TV, the next thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of your Skyworth TV. So basically from the home of your Skyworth TV, you can just scroll over to the settings over here, select settings, and from the settings of your Skyworth Smart TV, you're going to see the channels and inputs menu over here. So go ahead and select this. Now you're going to see the channels option over here. Now select channels. And now you want to choose the type of scan you want for your Skyworth TV. So if you have like an analog antenna and you want an analog scan, then you can go ahead and select analog. Or if you have like a cable connected, then you can go ahead and select a cable scan. For the purpose of this video, I'll be using the analog scan over here. So just select analog and then click on scan channels. And automatically your Skyworth TV will start to look for available live TVs and channels you can actually watch on your TV. At this point, what you just want to do is to make sure that your antenna or cable is properly placed where it can actually find all of the possible channels that it can possibly get. And the top counter over here will give you indication of all of the channels that the TV has been able to find after a particular scan. You can literally see at the top over here, my antenna has been able to get just 2 live channels for me. This is basically because the antenna is not so well placed and I have not moved it around just to make sure it searches for all of the available channels possible. But trust me, once your antenna is properly placed, then you should be able to search for available channels and find all of the available live channels for your Skyworth TV. And now the scanning process is completed. So what you just want to do is to go ahead and click on the finish button over here. And as you can see, this is basically my local channel that my Skyworth TV was able to find after the antenna scan. Now, a few things you have to note is that you can actually update the local channels on your Skyworth TV by just clicking on the settings and then coming over to the channels option over here, click on channels. And after selecting the type of channel scan you want for your Skyworth TV, you can as well just go ahead and click on update scan. This will make your Skyworth TV to search for newer channels without actually deleting the previous ones. Also, if after connecting your antenna to your Skyworth TV and you're unable to find any local channel, you can as well just try scanning using the antenna option or the cable option as well. Try scanning using any of these options with either your cable or your antenna and see whether you can find any local channel for your Skyworth TV. And finally, to open up the local channels on your Skyworth TV from the home of your Skyworth TV, you just want to go ahead and press on the input source button on your remote control. So just press on it and you're going to see all of the input sources on your Skyworth TV at the top. Now go ahead and select the antenna option if you actually have local channels that you scanned through antenna, or cable option if you actually have local channels or live TVs that you were able to find using a cable connection. You can as well just select the ATV option, which allows you to be able to watch channels you were able to find using the analog scan option. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.